Hey there, hardworking dads. This is Donnie, and welcome to my channel, Hardworking Dads, your DIY guide to building your business online. This channel is all about tips and guide on how you actually gonna build your business online from scratch using software and tools that's not gonna get you broke while you're just starting out. How is that possible? Well, most of the tools that I'm actually gonna use here is for free, and if not, if there's gonna be a chance that you're gonna pay for a monthly fees, I promise you it's gonna be the least possible amount of price that you're gonna pay for tools or software, because it's very sad to know that most people out there doesn't really even know that you could actually build your business structure online for free. And it's ridiculous how much people get caught in those courses tutorials telling them to buy all those tools and software that they don't actually really need when they're just starting out their business online. So the best possible solution for this is I'm gonna put different episodes, tutorials, and reviews on how these tools gonna fit in your business structure and how you could actually leverage it to grow your business. Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's turn that passion into a profitable business online. Again, this is Donnie. Welcome to my Hardworking Dads channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you could always get notified if there's going to be new videos and tutorials that I'm going to be putting out there. Okay, so thank you and God bless. This is Donnie. Welcome to Hardworking Dads.